Exercise 40. What is the result when number 720 is increased by 35%? Remember directly from theory. When number A is increased by X%, this means that A is multiplied by 100 plus X over 100. So, in my case, 720 is increased by 35%. This means that 720 should be multiplied by 35 plus 100 over 100, which is 135 over 100, which is the same as 1.35. So I need to multiply 720. So I'm going to use my calculator. I need to multiply that by 1.35. The result would be 972, which is the right answer for this question.